Welcome to the Ampler Charts tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to adjust labels. The tutorial covers all of the different label types, how to format labels, how to change the text rotation, how to change the label content, the number format, and the data scale. And finally, we'll be looking at how to change the label positions. When you insert a chart, it will have several text and data labels. The typical labels are category labels, segment labels, total labels, and series labels. Some chart types can have additional labels such as tick labels and title labels. Labels can be removed simply by selecting and hitting Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. Also, the right-click menu allows you to delete labels. To add labels, right-click and toggle on the desired labels. Series and category labels have options to left, right, and center align directly from the Format menu. Select the labels, and from the Format menu on the left mouse click, select the desired alignment. Most label types have an option to rotate. To rotate a label, select one or more labels, and from the left-click menu in the text rotation drop-down, select the desired rotation. The default content of the labels is taken from the datasheet or calculated from other values. You can add content such as a prefix or suffix. Simply click on the label and use the arrow keys to move in front or after the existing content. When the original value is not overwritten, labels will automatically update whenever there's changes to the datasheet. To override a label's content, just click on the label and start typing. The text in the label will no longer be updated from the datasheet. Ampler Charts indicates this by showing a small Excel icon next to the label. To re-establish the content from the datasheet, simply click on the Excel link icon. Label content options are available for most label types. Select a label and open the drop-down menu for label content to see the options available. In this case, absolute, percentages, series, and category is available. Also, a combination of these can be chosen. Select the desired option and the label will automatically update. To update multiple labels, simply select them and go through the same steps, and all labels will be updated. When charts has multiple series, segment percentages are calculated based on the total sum of the category. However, when a chart has only one series, the percentages are calculated based on the sum of the full series. Number formats can be changed in two ways. The first option is from the number format drop-down menu, which provides the most common formats. When you change the number format through the Format menu, all other labels of the same type are also updated. The second option is to type the desired format directly into a label. This way, only the selected label is updated. When using the drop-down menu, you also have options of inserting your own desired format. This includes putting signs in front or behind the values. When working with large numbers with more than 3 digits, charts might become cluttered. Use data scaling to scale the numbers shown in the labels without having to update the data in your datasheet. The Data Scale drop-down menu provides different options. Simply select the desired option and all labels will automatically update. Labels are automatically placed at suitable positions. However, they can be manually repositioned. Hover above a label and select the multi-arrow icon to reposition labels. Small anchor points appear. Hover above the desired anchor point and release the mouse to update the position of the label. Alternatively, you can hold Control while having the label selected to go to free float mode. Now you can reposition the labels in whatever position you desire. Most decorators also have options of moving the label. If you want a different look, you can add custom labels and use lines to connect them directly to the chart. If you don't want the total label shown, change the font color to match the background color of the slide. Thank you for watching. Please check out ampler.io or YouTube for more videos and tutorials.